Hello there! Today we'll continue to explore the world of machine learning and answer the question, what is a machine learning engineer? If you've ever wondered how machines can learn and make intelligent decisions, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. I hope you already know that machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed. So when we talk about who makes these computers learn, we're talking about someone called a machine learning engineer. A machine learning engineer is a skilled professional who combines computer science, mathematics, and domain knowledge to build intelligent systems. Their role is to design, develop, and deploy machine learning models that can analyze vast amounts of data, learn from it, and so on. Using all their experience, ML engineers contribute to various fields such as healthcare, finance, e-commerce, cybersecurity, and even entertainment. Let's dig a little deeper into the skills that any ML engineer should have. To become a machine learning engineer, you need a strong foundation in programming languages like Python or R. These languages are commonly used in the field because they provide powerful libraries and frameworks for machine learning tasks. Additionally, a solid understanding of mathematics, particularly linear algebra and statistics, is crucial. These concepts help machine learning engineers work with complex algorithms and optimize models for better performance. Now let's take a look at the daily life of an ML engineer. Imagine you're stepping into their shoes for a day. Your first task is data preparation. You carefully analyze and clean the dataset, handling missing values, outliers, and transforming it into a suitable format. This crucial step ensures that your machine learning model receives clean, reliable data for training. Next, you delve into feature engineering. You brainstorm and experiment with different approaches to extract meaningful features from the data. Creating new features and transforming existing ones, you strive to capture the essence of the problem you're solving. Now it's time for model selection and training. Drawing upon your expertise, you choose the most suitable machine learning algorithm and fine-tune its hyperparameters. You feed the prepared data into the model, watching it learn and adapt to the patterns present in the data set. As the model finishes training, you evaluate its performance. You meticulously analyze metrics like accuracy, precision, and recall to assess its effectiveness. Based on the insights gained, you iterate and optimize the model, continuously striving for better results. The highlight of your day arrives as you deploy the trained model into a production environment. You work alongside software engineers to integrate the model seamlessly into existing systems or design APIs for easy access. This enables real-time predictions and decision-making powered by your model. Collaboration is also crucial for engineers, as they have lively discussions with data scientists, software engineers, and domain experts, sharing ideas, understanding project needs, and making sure the machine learning solution matches the organization's goals. As the day draws to a close, you reflect on the progress made and the impact your work can have on solving complex problems. You dedicate time to stay up to date with the latest research, attending conferences, and participating in online communities as the field of machine learning continues to evolve. And that wraps up a day in the life of a machine learning engineer. It's a dynamic and rewarding journey filled with data exploration, model development, collaboration, and the thrill of applying artificial intelligence to shape the future. I hope this video helped you grasp what an ML engineer is and their important role in the world of AI. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.